beauties, it's Michelle here at Model Rock, and in today's video we're going to be going over how to do lash extensions at home. So do you love the look of lash extensions but don't want to frequent the salon or spend the big dollars with the upkeep? Or perhaps you enjoy false lashes but don't like applying them daily and want something with a bit of a longer hold? The solution is our Lash Play, which is coming soon to Model Rock. So what is Lash Play? Lash Play is a DIY extension series where you can create a beautiful lash extension look from the comfort of your own home. The difference between our DIY lash extensions and regular false lashes is two factors. The first factor is Lash Play adhesive lasts much longer than regular adhesive. It has a 3 to 5 day hold. With extra care you can get away with wearing it for longer. The second thing is Lash Play clusters are glued to the underneath of your lash rather than on top like your traditional strip lashes or individuals. Applying them to the underside will give them more of a seamless look and appear more natural and undetectable. So each kit contains 2 lash cluster set styles, a bond, a sealer, remover gel, and an extension lash applicator. So there are 2 kits so far, more to come, which are called Light and Effortless and Oh So Boss. This kit is called Oh So Boss, and this one is Light and Effortless. Simply select your preferred style and let's play. So I've zoomed you guys in really close and I've already done this eye. I used Boss Style too. I just find these really pointy ends give that kind of anime manga lash effect that's really trending at the moment. So I'm going to show you how to do it on this eye. Step 1, you want to lightly coat your lashes with the extension bond using the micro spoolie brush in an upwards motion. So this is the micro spoolie brush. You want to apply it like you're applying mascara. Now it's very important not to overload your lashes with the bond because less is more. Having that small brush end helps you get really close to the root. After applying the bond, what you want to do is you want to take your lash applicator and apply the lashes underneath your natural lash line. So I like to start with the inner corner. You want to lean your head back, look up so you can get that angle underneath, and you want to keep applying the clusters until you have created your desired look. So I'm just going to repeat this until all the lashes are applied. Now once you've finished applying your lashes, you want to apply the sealer next. Use the DIY extension sealer to lock on the lash clusters and to take away any tackiness of the bond. Brush the sealer through your lashes the same way in an upward motion as using mascara. The sealer also gives the lashes a waterproof raincoat to help with the longevity of your lash life. You can really customize whether you want them to look more natural or full, depending on your lash preference. To remove your lashes, use the remover gel in a motion like applying mascara once again. So be sure to coat the top and bottom of the cluster lashes. Once the lashes are generously coated, you want to wait 10 to 20 seconds for the remover to do its magic. The remover just loosens the bond, making it easy for us to pull the clusters away. Once again, don't forget to coat the top as well. So after this time, you should be able to just gently pull away the clusters and put them back in their packaging. It's as simple as that. See how easy that remover just makes the lashes come away? When all the lash clusters have been removed, you want to take your cleanser of choice and clean up the eye area. Doing your own lash extensions has never been easier, so make sure to sign up to our newsletters and follow our Facebook and Instagram page to be notified when they launch so you can also lash play. Thanks guys for watching and we'll talk soon.